So hello, and as always, welcome back to Learning MG. So many of you have been asking me about the Nintendo Switch review. You want me to tell you my humble opinion on the Nintendo Switch. So I'm going to go for 1 minute straight. I'm going to tell you. So basically, I think it's a great actual Nintendo. It's been great using it. I've got it from a friend, so I've given it back. But you still want my opinion, and I considerably say that for 600 bucks, I think it's pretty expensive. It is true that you can part both ways, so you can play two together, but it's still just not enough for me. I mean, 600 bucks is a lot of money nowadays, and I think you're better off just working or having fun. I think it's a great actual tool if you are on a daily commute or whatsoever, but it's the actual games come as aside, meaning that you've got to pay for them. It's around 50 or 60 bucks each game, and I honestly think that nowadays there are many other things that are completely free. You've got other actual brand names. I'm not going to tell you any of them. I don't want to do free publicity, but basically you've got other games which are completely free on the iPhone, on the actual Android. So my humble opinion is it's not worth buying. That's my humble opinion. Let me know in the comments what you think.